What if I told you there's a way to lose weight, boost your energy, and improve your health without cutting out your favorite foods or counting a single calorie? Sounds too good to be true, right? It's not. It's called intermittent fasting, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to start today. I'm Coach Fast. Let's break this down in 90 seconds. Intermittent fasting isn't about what you eat. It's about when you eat. The most popular method is the 16-8 method. You fast for 16 hours and only eat during an 8-hour window. Most people eat from noon to 8 p.m. You're literally just skipping breakfast. Here's why it works. After 16 hours of fasting, your body runs out of sugar and starts burning stored fat for fuel. Studies show people lose 3 to 7% of their body weight in just 8 weeks. Plus, you get better energy, sharper focus, and improved metabolism. All without counting a single calorie. Ready to start? Here's your plan. 1. Choose your 8-hour eating window. I recommend noon to 8 p.m. 2. During fasting hours, drink only water, black coffee, or tea. No calories. 3. When you eat, focus on whole foods, protein, vegetables, healthy fats. 4. Be consistent for 2 weeks. The first few days are tough, but it gets easier. I promise. All right, that's it. Easy, right? So if you're ready to start intermittent fasting today, subscribe to Mr. Fast for weekly tips, meal plans, and strategies to maximize your results. Drop a comment, let me know when you're starting, and if you have any questions, I'm here to help. Let's fast forward to a better you.